hire someone like you. We have a database packed full of remote writing jobs that pay $20 to $50 per hour that are looking to hire people just like you. If you qualify, you don't need any prior experience because we train you in everything that you need to know. We also know that most people get stuck before they even get started. They don't know what online jobs they qualify for, and they don't know where to find them or how to apply. The whole process of getting started working online can seem quite daunting. That's why we built our Instant Apply online writing job application process that does all of this work for you. You just take 1 to 2 minutes to enter a few key details about yourself, and then our system runs your profile through our database of thousands of remote online writing jobs to instantly match you with the jobs that you were a fit for. These are all remote online writing jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world that pay between $20 to $50 per hour, with 5 to 30 hours of work available each week per job. So if you are matched with a $30 per hour online writing job that has 25 hours of available work each week, you could bank an extra $750 a week, working from wherever you feel like. The application process only takes 1 to 2 minutes, and then you'll be instantly matched with high-paying writing jobs in our database. If you have been looking for a real online job that you can start right away, this is for you. Fill in the short application form below, and our system will run your information against the thousands of jobs in our database. And on the very next page, you will be able to see all of the online writing jobs that you've matched with, and you can choose one and start work right away. Your first payment could be in your bank account by this time tomorrow. What are you waiting for? Fill in the form below, and I'll see you on the other side.